Now, if they break into a fight and it gets too close to us, just back up, get out of their way.
Leave the camera.
Yeah, leave the camera, just leave it.
You want to wipe it? Or are you following him?
I'll pop a flare if I have to.
Get the door closed up, please.
Yeah, just get it. Let's stay together. Fighting towards us, because they are going to fight. Dude, this is going to happen dangerously close to us. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I'm watching. I'm paying attention.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't look at you.
It's maybe the most awesome bear fight ever recorded. This is a gift from Mother Nature, man. It's one of the most intense bear fights I've ever seen in like 25 years.
This is unreal.
Longest one I've ever seen.
Thank God you've got two turrets.
Oh God, he's got him by the throat.
That's surely an end, is it?
Yeah, yeah. He's the winner will be declared now.
Yeah. That's...
That just means that's like the most pissed they can get. But see, now he's been pinned down.
Yeah. There's no way.
So it's pretty much like the rules are like you're done. Like I won. Okay.
Who was that one? You got the old one.
I don't even know. I think the old guy won. God, the female's not even watching.
Yeah, he's
Oh my.
Day two, everyone.
Dude, did we just nail this in the right place at the right time? And if Jake, if something happened, you didn't get it, I got it all.
Are you recording, are you?
Yeah, I got the whole thing.
Maybe get Teddy to Jake. Off Jake in the front of it, and then it's just happening behind.
It's so brutal. God, that bear is. This is 10 times longer than the longest fight I've ever seen. And more intense.
Gee, they're just absolutely.
Just destroying each other.
I hope there's no sound on that because I've just been swearing non-stop. How are we doing, Jake? They're absolutely mad. Good spot, Brad, mate. Sorry, the D-line.
God, can you imagine if we'd been out to the cabin?
Yeah.
It'd be like.
Sure. He's defeated.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in Mother Nature.
Jake, when they break, just stay with the. We want to stay with the winner, and then shots of the other guy just leaving and running away. So go with the loser, who I think is on the left. Would you say, Brad?
Oh yeah, absolutely. The loser's on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, he has got his head down. He's basically saying, "I'm sorry, I lost."
Okay, yeah, I'm out. Yeah.
And the winner walks away.
If he breaks, he'll probably break to the left.
You want the loser walking away?
Yes. Please.
What?
Yeah, stick with him, and then so we
Yeah.
have him, and then have him exit frame.
Yeah, yeah. The winner. I'm sorry. The winner will walk away, and the loser
Winner.
will stand there. Yeah. Sorry.
Is that right?
Yeah. The winner walks off. It's counterintuitive.
Yeah. So just basically stick on whichever one